What if I told you that Pinterest is not just for recipes or home decor? It can actually make you money with affiliate marketing. You don't need to be famous, have thousands of followers, or create your own product. In this video, I'll show you step by step how beginners can use Pinterest for affiliate marketing. We'll cover how it works, what to post, where to place your links, and how to avoid mistakes that commonly trap beginners. So if you've been hearing about passive income and Pinterest, but it feels confusing, stick around. Let's simplify this together. First, let's clarify Pinterest affiliate marketing. You create content on Pinterest, usually in the form of pins. These pins lead people to valuable content, like blog posts or product pages, containing your affiliate links. When someone clicks and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's that simple. Pinterest is powerful because it functions as a visual search engine. Unlike other social media platforms where content dies quickly, Pinterest content can be discovered days, weeks, or even months later. This means you are sharing searchable content that can continue working for you over time. Now, why is Pinterest especially good for beginners? It doesn't prioritize popularity. Unlike platforms where you need a large audience to be seen, users on Pinterest search by interests and intent. People are actively looking for solutions, ideas, and products. This is golden for affiliate marketers. To get started, step 1 is to choose a niche. Many beginners make the mistake of posting about everything. This confuses Pinterest and your audience. Instead, stick to a clear lane. Popular beginner-friendly niches include home decor, beauty, fashion, fitness, and personal finance. The best niche combines what people search for, what products exist, and what you can create content around consistently. Step 2 is to join affiliate programs. These platforms allow you to promote products for a commission. Examples include Amazon Associates and Share a Sale. Once approved, you receive a unique affiliate link to track sales through your recommendations. Avoid the beginner mistake of grabbing random links without a strategy. Choose products that match your niche. If you're focused on productivity, promote related items like planners or office tools. Relevance is key for conversions. Next, set up your Pinterest account correctly. Choose a username that reflects your niche. Write a simple profile description outlining what your content is about. Use a clear profile image and create boards closely tied to your niche. For example, if your niche is digital marketing, consider boards like affiliate marketing tips or blogging tools. This clarity helps new visitors understand your content instantly. Now, let's focus on content creation. Pinterest marketing requires pins that encourage clicks. Effective pins typically solve a problem, offer a result, or inspire ideas. For example, titles like 10 Pinterest marketing tips for beginners or best desk setup tools are not random, they're useful and searchable. Next, let's discuss creating clickable pins. Your pin design should be clear and attractive. A strong pin typically features a vertical layout, a clean image, and bold, readable text. Make sure the title clearly conveys the benefit. You have two main options for your affiliate link. First, send Pinterest traffic to a blog or landing page before linking to your product. This warms up users before they make a purchase. Alternatively, you can link directly to the affiliate offer, but this can be riskier without context. Step 7 involves writing keyword-rich pin titles and descriptions. Pinterest is a search engine, so use keywords that people actually search for. If your niche is fashion, verbs like handbag styling ideas can attract attention. Just ensure your keywords fit naturally into your writing. Another critical point is consistency. Pinterest rewards accounts that publish regularly. Aim for 1 to 3 quality pins daily or a few strong ones weekly. This consistent presence keeps your content relevant and discoverable. Once you've started posting, track your results. Monitor what content gets the most engagement. This data allows you to understand your audience better. Successful affiliate marketers analyze their performance and adapt accordingly. Finally, let's discuss common beginner mistakes. Avoid choosing a niche without real products, posting random content, or creating unclear pins. Additionally, don't use vague titles or push for sales too aggressively. Many beginners quit before giving their strategy enough time to build momentum. If I were starting Pinterest affiliate marketing from scratch, I'd pick a niche, join a few solid affiliate programs, set up a clean profile, and produce helpful content. I'd create clear pins, post consistently, and track what works. Pinterest affiliate marketing isn't magic, but it's a beginner-friendly way to turn content into traffic. Create useful, searchable content that connects the right audience to the right products. That's how you succeed smartly. If you're ready to dive into Pinterest affiliate marketing, now is the time to get started.